So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this over the sink dish drying rack. So what this is a rack that you would put over top of your sink that you could line up maybe like plates, forks, spoons, knives, whatever, and even have some extra spots for like chopping boards and dishwashing liquid and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead, take this thing out of the package here, go over it. Actually, let me lay it out here on the floor, and then I'll go over it and show you what all you get with this thing. So what you get here is a little set of instructions, and I'm going to go over this. It looks like there's a little bit of parts and pieces to put together with this thing, but you can see the overall look and what it looks like right there. So let me go ahead and assemble this thing, then I'll come back and tell you how hard it was or how easy it was to put together. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, surprisingly, this was easily assembled. Everything screws directly into inserts on these things. You put the little knobs down here for adjustment. The bars go in the middle. All of this just kind of like snaps together. It was one of the easiest ones that I've assembled because I've assembled a lot of things, and you can see how you put each little like tray in its spot. The hooks go there, the tray goes there, the little feet go on right there. Take this into the kitchen, take out the old dish strainer, and then put the new one in, and let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, so here's my sink, and I've got just a basic side-by-side sink right here, and it's got adjustment on it. I might have to move this shelf right here, but I think it's gonna work great on this. Let's go ahead, set it on there, and then let's adjust it to where we need it. And the suction cup should suck down to this right here, and we should be good. So I got it all set up here, and one thing that I really liked about this is how well it kept the knives. So I've always been worried about putting knives inside a dish strainer. Well, you can put them right down in here, and check that out. So I got the full-on like chef's knives, and they're protected down in there. It doesn't do very well with these little short ones, but it works extremely well with these chef's knives. I like how the silverware is knocked down in there. There's not much room for cups up here, just so you know. Nice little hanging racks for like spatulas and dipping spoons. I put my little bottle washer here. I love how it holds plates, but there's not much room for bowls. So if you got a lot of bowls, you're gonna have to figure something out, because that's got it takes up a lot of room with the bowls, but the plates work extremely well. Nice spot right here for my dishwashing liquid and my little scrubber. Seems to hold nicely, is sturdy. Everybody, I think this is a great option for any kitchen that just needs a good little storage drying rack. So yeah, there it is, everybody, and see you in the next video.